All right, what's popping? My name is Victor Isibor. First timers, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe. Returning subscribers and viewers, salute, like in the military. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. Before we get to the video of today, let me put out a disclaimer. All right, if there's anybody on Telegram pretending to be me, insist on a video call. Tell them to prove themselves. If there's anybody on Telegram pretending to be Victor Isibor, telling you to send them money, tell them to give you a bank account that carries my full names. Otherwise, do not send money to anybody. Victor Isibor will never ask you for money. Victor Isibor will never promote an investment project that offers you daily ROI. It is not me. All right, so be careful. Do not lose your money to scammers. I have rejected thousands of dollars from Ponzi CEOs. It is not your money that I'm looking for. The projects that I promote are non-custodial. You see this trade that is going on in my Binance now. The robot that is trading it is separate, and my money is here on Binance. Your money is always at your disposal. The projects I promote, your money is in your pocket. You don't send money to anybody. The trade is going on here. The robot is somewhere else. All right. If you're interested in non-custodial projects, send me a DM via the details in the description of my video. Don't go elsewhere and think you are interacting with Victor Isibor. They will scam you. Thank you very much. Now let's get right into the video. Today, we are going to be discussing a very important trade feature called stop loss. When you are on a trade, you need to set a stop loss. Now, the robot we are interacting with, we are doing what is called auto signal. Okay, auto signal. So we prepare the robot. As soon as a signal comes, it triggers the signal automatically without you having to do anything. Now, how do you set a stop loss? That is what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, what you're seeing here is ADA short, then ADA here underneath long. All right, so what is going on here essentially is hedging. Hedging is a process whereby a robot opens the both possible positions on the same coin. Especially when market is moving against you in one particular position, it opens the opposite direction to be picking profit in that opposite direction. You understand me? It is very easy. You see that market is going long up or short down. So if we are trading a coin like ADA, and our prediction is that it would go down, but the market is eventually going up, well, another position will be opened to be picking profit in the upward direction while you are taking losses in the downward direction, creating something like an equilibrium, making it almost impossible for you to get liquidated because your liquidity keeps getting replenished in the upward direction while it is getting depleted in the downward direction. Capiche? Now, let's not be distracted. Let's get right into the reason why we are here. Stop loss. Now, when you want to set a stop loss on a particular trade, you have to look at it. Now, we entered this trade at 0.69. That's the entry price. All right? We entered saying that the price will go down. Now, from 0.6 now, look at where we are, market price. It is 0.70, meaning that market has moved against our prediction and has decided to be going up. Now, it went up from 0.69 to 0.7. Now, it is telling us now that if this market continues to go up and it gets to $16, I would be liquidated. So to set a stop loss on a trade, look at the current market price. Look at the liquidation price. So your stop loss price must be a number in between your market price and your liquidation price. All right? So to set a stop loss, just hit on the particular trade in question. Now, when you hit on it, you will see something like this. All right? I already have a stop loss on this particular trade. The point at which I want the robot to shut down the trade. All right. So when you tap on your trade like that, by the way, we're using Binance here, you have leverage and you have TPSL. This is our area of interest. TP means take profit. SL means stop loss. So you're going to click on that real quick. When you click on it, then you want to go to position TPSL. Position TPSL. Tap on it at the top. All right. See the former stop loss that I put here, 0.78. Instantly, it will show you the amount of money you will lose if stop loss is hit at that particular price. All right. Now, if I were to increase the stop loss and give the trade more allowance to flow to 0.8, look at it, I would lose $85. Now, it's better to lose this particular amount of money than to lose my entire capital. So that is what stop loss is all about. So do not forget the procedure. Let us go back. Don't forget the procedure. When you look at your trade, let's go back to main futures account. When you look at your trade, you tap on that trade, you will see TPSL. When you click on TPSL, underneath that particular trade, you will look up. This TPSL is talking about percentages. I prefer that we deal with raw figures. So go to position TPSL at the top. When you toggle it on, then you will see stop loss trigger price. Okay, so you have to put a price that is in between the market price and the liquidation price. Make sure that price do not get to liquidation. The price must not get to liquidation. So at what price do you want the robot to stop the particular trade? So you will now list the price, maybe 0.78, whatever number you put there. But instantly, you are going to be shown the amount of money you are going to lose if stop loss is triggered at that particular point in time. This is a very important detail for every trader, okay? And when you set a stop loss, you will see it will show as an open order. Open order tells you that the exchange has taken cognizance of your condition. Now, they have said that they are going to stop the market or close the short at the particular price that you have written. So, setting a stop loss is you making peace with the exchange that even though I am here to look for profit, but if market moves against me drastically, please do not wipe out my entire liquidity. Take so and so amount of money, stop the trade at so and so point. This is very important. Share this video with anybody who's trading. If you trade without a stop loss, it's like you sleeping around without protection. And you might catch one of those STDs, wouldn't you? All right, so you want to be careful out there. Beware of scammers who are trying to scam you by impersonating somebody who is against scam. It is easy for you to spot scammers, all right? Victor Isibor will not ask you for money or ask you to invest in shady, fraudulent, invest today, earn tomorrow projects, all right? My projects are non-custodial like this one and other ones. Just join my WhatsApp community, the channel, the groups, and of course the Telegram groups in the description of my video. Anything you see outside the description of my video, you are on your own. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.